representing the highest possible score. Students who graduate magna cum laude have earned a grade point average between 3.65 and 3.84. Students who graduate cum laude have earned a grade point average between 3.45 and 3.64. Students, as your name is called, please stand and come forward to the stage to receive the congratulations of the President and the Dean and myself and your certificate cover. Your certificate will be mailed to your home at the conclusion of the spring semester. Then please return to your seat and remain standing until all of the honors graduates have completed. I ask the audience to withdraw their applause until all the names in a particular college have been announced and the students have returned to their seats. We'll begin with Dr. Suzanne Biscay, Acting Dean of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, who will begin by recognizing the honor students in her college. Dean Biscay.
Will those graduates of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences please rise and come forward?
Jocelyn Laspada, Violet Marisha, Junashia Burr, Christine Connery, Stacy Erica Cortez, Shonda Cruz, Jessica Primali, Ingrid Duran, Angela Danielle, Daniel Dean, Jonathan DeLeon, Derek DeBose, Tessa Felmuji, James Boligo, Christine Ford, Thomas Cambino, Damaris Garcia, Henriella Griffin, Geraldine Hines, Crystal Hardy, Isaac Iheke, Wanda Johnson, Melissa Lecora, Madison Lopez, Rosemary Lopez, Carolina Lopez, Colleen McGovern, Jennifer McMahon, Mary Mendez, Michael Moreno, Nicole Pava, Michelle Payon, Emily Paluski, Shantini Processa, Danielle Julia, Amanda Roga, Dennis Rojas, Vanessa Rosier, Ashley.
The College of Humanities and Social Sciences with the honors designation of magna cum laude, please come forward.
Ana Bermudez, Carolina Blancia, Tessa Felmuji, James Bolijo, Christine Ford, Thomas Cambino, Damaris Garcia, Henriella Griffin, Geraldine Hines, Crystal Hardy, Isaac Iheke, Wanda Johnson, Melissa Lecora, Madison Lopez, Rosemary Lopez, Carolina Lopez, Colleen McGovern, Jennifer.
Congratulations. I was watching a few of the parents, a few of your parents, and I noticed tears in their eyes. And a few of them I noticed tears pouring down their face. There's no more sincere congratulations than that. We're so proud of your achievements. And some of you, I know, have already made commitments to jobs or graduate school, but if you haven't, I'd love it if you consider a graduate degree from Kean University. We have over 80 degree choices in graduate study at both the doctoral and master's level. We have many paths for you to advance your education. The Graduate College will be sending you in a few days an invitation to take advantage of pre-application for graduate admissions. In the meantime, you can also visit grad.kean.edu to learn more about the Graduate College at Kean University and our options for graduate study. Once again, you have our sincere congratulations.
Thank you. At this time, I will ask the audience to please remain seated until the platform guests and the faculty have processed from the arena. I would like to invite the honor students and their guests at the reception in the Harwood Lodge. You'll have a chance to meet your deans and enjoy this wonderful day. Again, thank you.